Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to draw a rectangle in TradingView so you can highlight important price zones, areas of support and resistance, or any zone you want to track. If this helps you, hit like so more traders can find it. To draw a rectangle, go to the left toolbar on your chart and select the Rectangle Drawing tool. Click on the chart where you want one corner of the rectangle, then drag it to the opposite corner and release. If you want a perfect square, just hold down the Shift key while drawing. Once your rectangle is drawn, you can customize it a lot. Click on it and open the settings. Under the Style tab, you can change the border color, thickness, and line type. You can also add a middle line through the rectangle and adjust its color and thickness. For the background, you can toggle visibility, change its color, and adjust opacity. There's even an option to extend the rectangle to the right or left indefinitely, which is useful for marking zones that last into the future. If you want to add text, go to the Text tab in the settings. You can type notes, adjust font size, style, color, and position. You can also edit the text directly on the chart by clicking the text field in the center of the rectangle. This makes it easy to label important zones or mark your observations. And that's it. Now you know how to draw, style, and label rectangles on TradingView to track important areas on your charts. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you want me to show more advanced drawing tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.